If needed, we can compare two columns in a table, though it is highly unlikely to have redundant sets of data within the same table. However, let me show you these examples even though there may not be any data matching these conditions. Select job ID, job title, minimum salary, maximum salary from jobs where minimum salary equals to maximum salary. When we do a comparison between columns, you would notice that we are not using single quotes or any other quote operators. Select star from employees where employee ID equals to department ID. They do not bring any data because there isn't a row where the employee ID matches department ID. We can also use date-based conditions. Select first name, last name, hire date from employees where hire date equals to 15th March 06. Brings me this result. Here, both these SQLs are same. There is no literal character comparison. If you see, literally, these are different. This is 06 and this one is 2006. As long as this is in a valid date format, which is DD, MON as in month, YY as in 2-digit year, or YYYY as in 4-digit year, Oracle converts it to date format and compares it with the data in the table. If we use only 2 digits in the year, Oracle automatically converts it to a 4-digit year format using the condition, which is if this value is between 0 to 49, it assumes as it represents this century. And if it is between 50 to 99, then it converts it to the previous century. For example, if this is 95, then it will be assumed as 1995. And if this is 12, then it will be assumed as 2012. Thank you for watching.